Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can enable your storage sense feature in Windows 11. Okay, so storage sense feature is quite a amazing feature in Windows 11. So click on start bar and go to settings. Okay, here you can see the system option. Okay, click on system and slide down a little bit and you can see here storage. So click on storage and here you can see storage sense. Okay, storage sense automatically free free up space, delete files and manage locally available cloud content. Okay, so let's enable it, and before we enable, you can see there are internal options here. Automatic user content cleanup. Okay, so let's enable the storage sense. Okay, so when you enable the storage sense configure cleanup schedule, you can configure the schedule every week, every day or every month. Okay, and delete files when you want to delete, 30 days, within 60 days, 1 day, 14 days, never. Okay, so that's it for today and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.